Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a dish that's bold, rich, and deeply satisfying. It's soy glazed stir-fried chicken. The chicken is juicy and tender, coated in a glossy, savory sauce with a hint of heat and garlicky aroma. Trust me, this one is a flavor bomb. Let's get started. Here I've got half a San Huang chicken I picked up fresh from the market. Its meat is very tender. Had the butcher cut it up at the market. So all we need to do now is soak it in water and clean off the blood. While that's soaking, let's prepare a few aromatics. Some fresh ginger slices, a couple of Star Anise, some bay leaves, a handful of green and red chili peppers, and a few smashed garlic cloves. Let's start cooking. All the ingredients and amounts are listed in the description below. Check it out if you need a quick reference. Heat up your wok. Here's a quick tip. If you are using a frozen chicken from the supermarket, be sure to blanch it first. But if you are using a fresh chicken from a wet market like I am, no need to blanch. Add a bit of oil and throw in the ginger slices. Fry them until they get a little golden. Then add the drained chicken pieces. Don't stir them right away. Lay them flat in the wok and let them sear. If you stir too early, they will stick to the wok. Once the chicken firms up, stir fry for a few more minutes until the fat renders out from the chicken. Look at that! This is all from the chicken fat. Now toss in our spices and stir fry to bring out their aroma. Then add 2 tablespoons of fermented soybean paste. Stir it until the paste is fragrant and coat the chicken evenly. Now add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Add just enough boiling water to barely cover the chicken. No need for too much. Season with half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Give it a quick stir. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Time's up? Oh wow, it smells incredible. The sauce has reduced beautifully. Now toss in some smashed garlic and those colorful chili peppers. Stir fry just a minute or two until the garlic is fragrant and everything is well combined. Remove the bay leaves and Star Anise. And we are ready! Wow, doesn't that look amazing? It's tender, juicy, and coated in that rich, savory sauce. Let me try a bite. This chicken is seriously tender, but still has that perfect chew to it. You can whip this up in under 30 minutes. Super easy and super satisfying. Go ahead and give it a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.